Today we are doing a factorial ANOVA with a Btwn Btwn design, and we are going to use a previous handout, which is going to be our revised, and it's going to be our zhang data set. And so here I have my zhang data set. As you can see, this is going to be our participant ID, the actual sex of the participant, and then the name that they use, and the score as well. And then I'm going to go to Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate, and as you can see, I've already done this just a little bit before. So score is my dependent because that's what's being measured, and my fixed factors is the name because I use different ones, and also the gender of the participant. And then we're going to come up to model, just make sure it's on full factorial. Sum of squares is type 3, nothing with contrast, nothing with plots. Post hoc, we are going to take our name for the post hoc test. That's what we want to run because we want to see if there's a difference in the name that they used on the exam, not a difference in sex. And then for our EM means, we're going to put everything over into display means, and we are going to check our boxes for compare main effects and compare simple main effects, run Bonferroni. Options, make sure estimates of effect sizes on, observed power as well. And then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And it's going to pop up our output. And so here you can see our significance for p-sex name, and for p-sex by name is the only one that has significance. And then our grand mean, you can tell our mean is 51.502. And then also for the p-sex and the name as well, you can look at our means. Pairwise comparisons, it's going to compare the own name with the male fake name and the female fake name, and as you can see, all the significance is 1, so we don't have any significance. And then our univariate test is also going to be not significant because it isn't less than 0.05, and then we also do not have very good power as well. And then what we're really going to look at, as you can see, own and contrast has significant, is going to be our pairwise comparison. So you can see that the own, whenever the male used a female fake name, you can see it wasn't significant, but it was almost significant. It was just 0.059. And then on our pairwise comparisons, we are going to look at, I can really delete some of this clutter, but I understand it, but we have no significance at all. The only one that's close is whenever a female uses a male fake name and then within their own name. It's close because it's a 0.053. And then for our post hoc test, here you can see I did go ahead and put this one down, but we have no significance at all. So in this data set, you can tell that females who used a male fake name, it didn't have any significance, but it did still affect the points on a test. It just wasn't significant.